Assalamualaikum guys and welcome back to the channel. Last video was about to the PHP super globals and PHP regular expressions. We discussed we discussed in very detail that how we use the regular expressions, and we also went over to the super globals PHP super globals variable. So today our main topic has been started, that is related to the web development, and we are talking about the PHP form handling, that we handle the forms. First of all, this video I will be broke into three parts. Okay, first of all, in first video we will create an HTML form. Okay, in second video we will create a database, and in third video we will make a connection and send the data into the database. So things are very easy. So just we need to start making an HTML form. So here I am not making any style file and style form. I'm just making a simple basic HTML form to teach you guys that how you create a simple HTML form. So here I am in Visual Studio Code. Okay, what I need to do, I just need to declare the HTML. Okay, sorry. I'm just taking an HTML. Okay, okay. So sorry. Okay, doc type. Okay, so this is what I have created an HTML. Then here one what I need to do, that is to take HTML. Okay, so here I have created this tag. Okay, sorry, I need to check one thing, that why it is not properly showing the whole HTML. Yes, HTML sample. So this is what I have created, an HTML sample. Okay, this actually Visual Studio provides you a built-in sample so that you can easily create or modify the things whatever you want. This is a standard libraries. Okay, I do not need to discuss that all. This is about the title. Okay, where you change the title of the file. Let's say I am making as we are created a simple form, simple HTML form. So here I am saying this is simple HTML form. So this is my title. Okay, then here is a link for the reference sheet for style sheet if you have created in another file. So here you can refer. So, and this is the JavaScript reference sheet. Okay, where you can link. So our main concern is with the body, that how we create the HTML form. So before creating the HTML form, we need to declare the form tag. So once I have done this one, now what I need to do, here I have created an HTML form. Inside the HTML form, I need to create a center tag. And what is the purpose of the center tag? It will actually align my form in center of the screen. So once I have created this one center tag, now it's a time to make a proper form. So here, first of all, I am saying the label for, sorry, label for. Okay, why is not working? Label. Okay, why is not working? Okay, we need to remove the center tag. First of all, we are making a simple form. Okay, then we will center line. First, I will show you that without using the center tag, how we make form, and then we will align it later. So what's the problem? Label. Okay, so here I have used the label tag, and here inside I need to tell him that label for what. Okay, label for. Okay, every time it's okay. Label. Okay, so here I have created label for. Okay, now I need to give the label. Okay, for which one I need to create. So here one I am taking that this is for the name one. Okay, label for name. Okay, and here I need to display that name. So once I have created this label one, now here for the symbol ones, and for the text box I need to create input. Okay, so once I have create the input type. Okay, input type equals to text. Okay, input type equals to text. Okay, then what I need to do, name equals to name. Okay, name is also equals to name. Okay, and if you want to give the value you can, but here I'm not giving the value. Then what you have to create, that is called the placeholder. Okay, okay, so here in placeholder you will see that why I'm using this placeholder. Here in placeholder you just display that enter your name. Sorry, enter your name. Okay, so once I have done this one, now same like I am creating another label. This is label I have created for the name. Now I need to add more fields, so I'm just copying this all, and here I need to paste it, and I'm just changing the name. Okay, this is for name, this is not, this is, let's say, for email. Okay, so once I have created this email, here I need to show email. Okay, so once I have the input type equals to, instead for this text, this is not text, so I'm taking as email. So name equals to email. Okay, and here in placeholder that I need to tell enter your email. So once I have done this one, we remember whenever I'm creating this one you need to give the break so that it will display the form in next line, each and every attribute on next line. Okay, so after performing this one, now I need to add two more things. Okay, two more fields we are adding. Okay, let's say one field I am adding, this is email, and here one I am just saying password. So here in password I need to give here one, that is password. So once I have done this one, so instead for here one email I am using password. Let's say I'm not using password, I am just saying text. You will see what will happen. So here name equals to password. Okay, and in placeholder I need to give that enter your password. So once I have created these three labels, okay, name, email, and password. Same like you can add various fields like his phone number, his address, his country. Okay, various things you can add, but I'm not adding that one. I'm just teaching you that how you create a simple form. So here instead, after performing this one, here what I need to do, here we are just taking a submit button. Okay, so here I'm just saying that input, okay, input type, okay, equals to submit. Okay, and here I just need to close the tag. I do not need to give anything. And here my form is finished. Yes, here my form is finished. Now need to see that what will happen in the browser. I need to go back and show you the things one by one. So I am as in my local host. I'm just refreshing the page. As you see, I have created the form. Okay, so this is a simple form I have created. Now I need to modify, as this form is on left align, I want to make this form on the right align. So what I need to do, I'm just opening this my Visual Studio Code, and here in body I need to say, sorry, in form I need to say center. I am using the center tag, and it will actually allows me to move my content in the center. Okay, okay, so here I have created this one. Now need to go back and see will it work or no. Okay, as I'm refreshing the page, as my form has moved to center successfully, but this form is not a proper, well, I need to give the heading on the top. So if you want to give the heading on the top, in head tag, or sorry, not in head tag, in body tag, you what need to do, use the h2 heading. Okay, sorry, use the h2 heading and say this is simple HTML form. Simple HTML form. So this one I have created. Now we'll see is anything will change in the browser or not. So simple HTML form, but this is as not in center tag. So I need to move back in the center tag as well. Okay. As you see, the title for my file is also simple HTML form. Okay. Which I declared in the title tag. So as this one is outside, so I'm just cutting from here and putting inside the center tag. So once I put this one in the center tag, I need to go back and see the result, what will be happen. Okay, as you see, simple HTML form. Now on the top, I have the heading. Then I have the various fields, name, email, password. Okay, let's say entering something. I have entered the name, I have entered the email, and let's say I am typing the password. Let's say my password is 12345. But as you see, the password what I am typing, okay, it doesn't hide anything. Okay, it is showing that what I am typing. So if you want to make this hide, and you say that if someone enters the password, he or she will not see that what I am entering on this text box. So what I need to do, I am just showing you that what you need to add in your code. So instead for here one, okay, if I move in the password field, as you see, you have created the input type is text. But if you change with the password, what, okay, if you change with the password, now you will see the password which I am entering, you cannot see, it will make it dotted. Okay. Let's say I am entering the name, I'm entering the email, and I'm entering the password. As you see, the password what I'm typing, it doesn't show it to you, okay, or me as well. So this is what you have created a simple HTML form. But if I press the submit button, it doesn't work because I have not connected this form to the database, or I have not made any action to the file. So in this video, I just teach you that how you create a simple HTML form. From next lectures, we will make a connection. Okay, how we make a connection in the database as well, and how we insert the data into the database, and how we make a connection file as well. So guys, I hope so this simple HTML form is clear to you. Okay, I'm not adding the more fields. Okay, you can add um, uh, various fields like someone's date of birth, address, city, education level. You can add various things. Okay, but I'm not adding anything. My purpose is to just teach you that how you create a simple HTML form, what are the things required. So this is the basic structure of HTML form. But if you want to make this form more lookable and more presentable, you can use the styling, and styling uses the CSS, cascade styling sheet. You use to give the colors of the button, give the attributes. Okay, you can make it colorful and best presentable. But basic structure always provides you the HTML. HTML provides you the structure, okay, of anything, okay, of button, of form. But if you want to give it proper presentable, you need to use the CSS and JavaScript to make it best presentable. So guys, this is all about today's video. In today's video, we learned that how we create an HTML form. From next videos, we will make a connection, we will make a database, and how we send the data in the database. So these type of stuffs we will cover in next video. So guys, I hope so you like my video. If you like my video, kindly do like, subscribe, and share. Meet you in next video. Take care.